In this very short video guide, I want to show you a really nice website which is called Socialblade. So let's do a quick search, and there it is. You can find it anywhere, and it's in the top results. It's socialblade.com, and I can click it directly here and I can access to the home page. Now this is pretty easy and straightforward. Basically, you can search for any social page or social network or any publisher on the web which uses this type of social network, like YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Dailymotion, and other stuff. So you just type here the name of the publisher you are looking for. For example, I can type Socialblade and hit enter or click the search, and you can see Socialblade as a Twitter account, a YouTube channel, a Twitch channel, and more, Instagram, and so on. So if I want to see how this is going, for example here, I can just wait for a little bit and it will give me the various ranking and the numbers of this particular account. Now probably they are not too strong on Instagram, so this is showing me here C+, but I can also go, for example, if I don't know a particular name and just have to do some research or maybe marketing studies, or I want to know more about, for example, the top 50 YouTubers in the world, I can click here and there you go. I have a list of most famous YouTubers or YouTube channels. Okay, let's go, for example, here to this 36th. Alright, so this one has these numbers here, 200 uploads, 17k subscribers, and so on. I can see also the earnings, I can see its channel, I can go here and see the subscribers, daily information about these subscriptions, and also I have these graphics here that show me how this particular channel is going. Okay, so I can basically look for any channel. Other ways here, I can go, for example, to Instagram and see the top 50 followed Instagram users. Okay, so you can see here at the top we have Instagram itself, and then Cristiano Ronaldo, Ariana Grande, and other stuff here, other famous guys. Okay, let's see, for example, Nike has a lot of followers, these daily followers and daily following also, and this is a graphic showing Nike Instagram. Alright, so you can find a lot of information about maybe someone you want to follow or that you like in YouTube. Again, you can also, if you are a publisher, you can check some statistics here to know how your investment is going in your social network, and so on. So I think this is all for this video. Please subscribe to our channel and have a look also to the videos section. These are the latest videos that we are publishing. We publish videos about web, about PC, about smartphone, about if you see here in the English video courses section, in the playlist section, we publish video courses on many professional software, and right at the bottom of the page you will also find here the video guide, for example, for open source software, but also entertainment. So please subscribe and stay with us. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.